Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD Magics. CAD Magics will help you to upgrade your drafting skill to new high level. You can find different helpful tips, downloadable ready-made dynamic blocks and Lisp files in this channel. Now let's jump to the topic. Did you ever wish that you could create your own line types? With the texts or symbol representing its properties? Here we can see some samples. Like, I have put SW for sewer, TL for transmission line and WS for water supply, with symbols so on. In this video, I am going to explain you how we can create our own custom line types very easily and in very short time. So, in order to create the line types with texts or symbols quickly, we need to have a Lisp file first. Here we can see a Lisp file. I have named this file as CAD Magics, which is my YouTube channel name, and in bracket we can see line types. This Lisp will activate TLT command in Autocad, which will help in creating line types with texts or any symbols very easily and quickly. Well, if you are new for the term Lisp, a Lisp file is a text file containing code written in the Lisp programming language. Lisp files are commonly used to store functions, macros, and other code structures that can be loaded and executed within a Lisp environment, such as in AutoCAD or other applications that support Lisp. Now, let's select this Lisp file and copy it with Ctrl+C. Open the AutoCAD file in which we are going to create the line types. Now we have to paste our copied Lisp at the place where AutoCAD uses the space for loading Lisp application. For that, we can type upload, or even easier, AP, and press enter. From here we can load or unload any applications which are either AutoCAD default programs or any we have brought here. Let's right-click somewhere here and paste. We have to provide administrative permissions for the changes we want to make. Click Continue and click Yes. Then the Lisp file is pasted at this location. I have also provided the download link for you in the description from where you can easily download this Lisp file. Now, to get our command to work on this file, we have to load it first. For this, we have to select our Lisp file and click on this load. And we can see here CAD Magics line types file successfully loaded. Now we can close this dialog box. Now we have a new command in our AutoCAD file, that is TLT. Before we go ahead, did you subscribe the channel? If you're new here, I'm Bishnu, and I create practical AutoCAD tutorials to help you level up your drafting skills one step at a time. There are more useful tutorials on my channel and still more videos are on the way, so make sure don't miss any. And also I like to request you to share this video to others and support this channel. Now, let's dive in and make AutoCAD a little easier for you to master. It's very easy than we may think. Let's say we have a boundary line of our property and we want to show BO on the line itself. Let's type TLT command and press enter. Then type BO and press enter. Now let's look at this line types drop-down list here. We can see our line type. Now we can just select the boundary line and select the line type from here. We can see we have our line type with BO in it. Isn't it very fast and easy? And for using symbols in our line. First of all, we need to copy the symbol from wherever they are available. In AutoCAD, I just edit any multi-line text. Click this down arrow sign besides this at the rate symbol here. Or here and click at Other. Then this character map is opened. We can scroll and click on the desired symbol and click on this select. Then click at this copy. Now we have copied the symbol for our line type. Then close everything and exit text editing. Now type TLT and press enter. Instead typing, just click here at command bar and press Ctrl+V and press enter. Now we can find our line type here. We can select it and start drawing lines or polylines. Isn't it very easy? Give the command. Type or paste the desired symbol, and press enter. And we have our line types. Hardly it took 5 seconds. And that's a wrap. Now I hope you have good idea about the use of this Lisp. You can simply click on the link shared below to download the Lisp file. And I still have hundreds of useful Lisp files at my backup. Since my channel is very new, do not hesitate to support by sharing. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or need more clarification, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching. See you till next video and happy drafting.